English test. A1, A2, and B1.
Number of questions, 30. You have 10 seconds for each question. Please pause the video if the time is not enough for you.
I'm not working next week. I have 5 days off. You can have some ice cream if you want. No, thanks. I don't want any. I don't feel well. I might not go to work tomorrow. Albert knows a lot of people, but he doesn't have many friends. Look at those birds up in the sky. They're flying south for the winter. I went to bed early because I was feeling tired, but I couldn't sleep. Lisa usually works hard at school, but she's having some problems at the moment. The little boy isn't tall enough to reach the shelf. I know Sarah well. I have known her for years. Why do you always go to that restaurant? Because I like Italian food very much. What would you like, tea or coffee? Tea, please. Do you want something to eat? No, thanks. I'm not hungry at the moment. He said he knew the answer, but it wasn't true. The police asked the drivers of the two cars what happened.
They're thinking of buying a house. Alice works in the post office. She has worked there for nearly 10 years.
What's wrong with Arthur? He didn't attend any classes last week. Where's Betty? She's not here. I think she has gone to the bank. She always has breakfast before getting dressed. Do you think there will be a lot of people at the match next Saturday? Do you think it will rain this afternoon? I hope not. We're planning to have a picnic. My wife is happy to stay at home all day. She enjoys doing homework. I don't know where you live. Don't worry. I'll draw a map for you in case you have trouble finding our house. Did you have any difficulty finding a job in London? Yes, I did. There's a lot of unemployment. Will the president be in danger? No, I don't think so. He has a team of bodyguards to protect him. Do you know how to drive an automatic car? No, this is the first time I have driven one. But it looks easy enough. The bicycle is becoming more and more popular as a means of transport. I need your advice, Alfred. What do you think I should do? I'm afraid I have absolutely no idea. We decided not to go out because of the bad weather. I think they would be offended if I didn't accept their invitation.